Hello, friends! Today, we dive into the magical world of cute little kitties. Prepare to embark on a journey that will both entertain and enlighten you. We're about to explore a world that's brimming with whisker-twitching wonder and tail-wagging excitement. From the mysterious allure of feline behavior to the enchanting charm of their playful antics, this video is a treasure trove of feline fun. So buckle up, get ready to purr with delight, and stay tuned for a colorful adventure. Let's start with something that'll immediately catch your attention: a splash of colors. When you think about the world of cats, what comes to mind? If you're anything like me, you imagine a world filled with vibrant hues, a veritable rainbow of fur, eyes, and playful toys. Cats, with their varied and striking color patterns, truly bring a palette of joy into our lives. This world that we're about to dive into is just as colorful and fun. It's a realm where the ordinary turns extraordinary with just a dash of color. Picture a cat's eye, a brilliant green or a startling blue. Imagine a litter of kittens, each one a different dazzling shade. Consider the toys cats play with, a riot of reds, blues, greens, and yellows. So I invite you to join us in this journey through a world that's as varied, vibrant, and joyful as a box of crayons. Buckle up because this color-filled adventure is about to begin. Time to pick up the pace. We're stepping it up a notch in this delightful journey through the world of our furry feline friends. As we dive into the vibrant and playful domain of cats, we're not just strolling, we're sprinting. There's no time to dawdle when we're surrounded by such captivating whiskered wonders. Now, who better to navigate us through this fast-paced adventure than our narrator? She's got a spark, a zest for life, and a fun American accent that's as engaging as the cats we're exploring. She's our guide, our captain on this ship of discovery, bringing an energy that's as infectious as a kitten's playful pounce. So buckle up, folks. We're accelerating into a world of purrs, paws, and playful antics. Our journey's just getting started, and we can't wait to show you what's next. Let's keep the energy up as we continue our adventure. This video is all about the kids. And why shouldn't it be? After all, who can resist the adorable antics of kittens, their soft fur, and their playful nature? Kids certainly can't, and neither can we. In this part of our journey, we delve into the fun-filled world of kittens and kids. Imagine the giggles and laughter as they engage in lighthearted games with their little furry friends. Picture the joy on their faces as they watch kittens pounce on toys, chase after their own tails, and curl up into tiny furry balls for a nap. But it's not all about watching, it's about participating too. The children get to join in with the fun, playing hide and seek with the kittens, or maybe even a game of tag. And who knows, there might even be a dance-off between the kids and kittens. Now, wouldn't that be something to see? And let's not forget about the jokes. Kids love a good joke, and so do we. Picture this: a kid asking, "Why don't cats play poker in the jungle?" And the answer, "Too many cheetahs." It's these little moments of laughter that make this adventure all the more enjoyable. But this isn't just about fun and games. It's also a chance for kids to learn about responsibility and compassion. They'll see how feeding, grooming, and taking care of these kittens is an essential part of their well-being. It's a gentle introduction to the concept of caring for others, shown through the lens of looking after these adorable kittens. So are we ready to dive into this world of cuteness and fun? Are we ready to hear the laughter, see the smiles, and join in with the games? Are we ready to dance with the kittens, laugh at the jokes, and learn about caring for these little bundles of joy? Are you excited yet? Because we sure are. Let's continue our journey into the magical world of cats and kids. Let's keep the fun going, the laughter flowing, and the learning happening. After all, this video is all about the kids. Time to take a little breather and switch to mid-paced editing. Let's slow down just a touch, just enough to let us soak in the adorable antics of these kittens a bit more. See, in the rush and tumble of life, we often miss out on the simple joys, the playful pounce of a kitten or its curious gaze as it explores a new toy. These are the moments that make our world a little bit brighter, a tad more magical. Now let's take this opportunity to really focus on these delightful moments. Each purr, each tiny meow, each soft paw pad. Let's explore the magic in the details, the charm in the ordinary. Because after all, isn't that where the true magic lies? In the everyday moments, in the small things that make us smile. So come on, let's keep exploring this adorable world together. Of course, we have some fun music for our adventure. Nothing brings a story to life quite like the right soundtrack. And we've got a melody that's just as lively and playful as our feline friends. Imagine a tune that's got all the energy of a kitten chasing after a ball of yarn. It's a rhythm that pounces, purrs, and prowls right along with our furry stars, bringing an extra dash of excitement to every whisker-twitching moment. This isn't just any old music. It's a symphony of sound designed to make your heart beat a little faster, your smile stretch a little wider. It's the kind of beat that gets your foot tapping, your fingers snapping, and maybe even gets you up and dancing around the room. So, are you ready? Good, because the music's about to start. Let's get into the rhythm together. Now let's get to our main goal, engaging the kids. We all know how much fun it is to interact with kittens, right? Their playful antics, their soft fur, their irresistible little meows. But what if we took that interaction to a whole new level? What if we could see the world from a child's perspective, at their eye level, and play along with them in this magical world of kittens? Just imagine those tiny paws skittering across the floor, chasing after a ball of yarn, or those curious eyes, filled with wonder and fascination, as they explore the world around them. And then, there are those special meow moments. Those precious times when a kitten looks up at a child, and the two of them share a special bond. It's a magical moment that can only happen in the world of kittens. But we're not just about watching, we're about engaging too. That's why we're going to include games that you can play along with the kittens. Games that will make you laugh, games that will make you gasp in surprise, and games that will make you want to reach out and join in the fun. And let's not forget about those cute paw prints. Those tiny imprints that kittens leave behind, like little signatures of their adventures. They're like little treasures that you can discover, and they add an extra touch of charm to our kitten-filled world. Now, we know that every child is unique. That's why we're going to make sure that our content is engaging and accessible to all kids. We want to create an environment where every child feels included, where every child can have fun, and where every child can learn something new. So whether you're a big kid or a little kid, a cat lover or just curious, we invite you to join us in this wonderful adventure. Because in the end, it's not just about the kittens, it's about the joy, the laughter, and the memories we create together. Keep your eyes on the screen, kids, because this video is all about you. And finally, we have subtitles and changing camera angles for a dynamic viewing experience. We've included colorful subtitles not only to add a splash of fun, but also to ensure our friends with hearing impairments don't miss out on any of the feline frolic. And to keep things lively, we've spiced up the video with constantly changing camera angles, capturing all the whimsical antics of our feline stars from every possible perspective. Don't take your eyes off the screen for an unforgettable cat adventure.